Hi viewers, I am here with a video where we will create the project by using the AI and also deploy. I hope you are doing well. Now let's start what we have done and what we will be built in by using this prompt. Here is the complete prompt, but let's take a overview of this application. Here is the shop metrics, like it's the e-commerce selling dashboard. If you can see here, here is the user, and then the light and dark mode option, and then notifications, drop down of the time, or 7 days, 6 days, and 30 days and 90 days as well. The search of anything in the dashboard, and here you can see the total revenue, total orders, average order value, and then conversation. This is a static, but it's a Next.js application we have built by using Next, and the graph and everything is here. The UI of this dashboard is very smooth. If you want to deploy, if you want to develop further this application, then you can use this theme. This theme will be continue when you give the prompt to AI to run to develop the orders, products, or customers, or settings, or whatever you want. Okay, here is the list of selling products, and the recent orders are here. The smooth application, very flexible application. You can see to inspect this application by clicking to here. Here is a very bad link. Yes, you can close here from there, and it's a mobile responsive application. If you want to open the dashboard, most of the time the dashboard only opens at the web browser. No need to open at mobile, but it's mobile responsive as well by using a single command. Let's see how we can build this application, and how we get the smooth and deploy to the Vercel, because Next.js is a Vercel product. That's why we will use the Vercel. It's a totally compatible by using Vercel in the Next.js deployment. So here is the prompt. We can open the terminal and then run this command by using the Mimo code. Mimo code, for Vivo code, you can search out Mimo code, and then here you can see the first link. Click it, and then just copy this command and run into the terminal. Okay, here is the terminal, and you can run the command. Mimo code will be installed. After that, you can run Mimo to run the Mimo code for running the command or running the AI. By default, Mimo v2.5 is selected. If you want to change the model, then you can search out models and click here, and these are all the models, but I have selected this one. So the Mimo model is here. After that, we will run the command. The command is the e-commerce selling revenue analysis dashboard web app using Next.js application by using the Tailwind only, and then Next.js app router and TypeScript will be used, and then Tailwind for CSS, and then Recharts for that one, and everything is mentioned here. If you want to develop more, then you can add many of the things in the command, and if you want to develop other routes of dashboard, then you can also write in this prompt. I just copy this prompt and then paste here in the Mimo code, and just pasted this command and enter the command. It will be run and develop your project. Now the application is run. You have done this application. All of these stuff is now updated in our application, like revenue chart, category, pie and discount, top products ranked, and then revenue by channel, and recent orders, tables, color, and this stuff also be done. And then if you want to check this application, we have downloaded. So here is the e-commerce application. I can open it here is the application where we have used the memo code for AI, and memo code is developed this project, like Claude.empty file is here to develop all the stuff. And if you click on the src folder, app, and then the dashboard page is here. If you want to create the multiple dashboard pages in the dashboard, then you can also add in the prompt. That's why everything will be there. So let's move to deploy this application. For that, just click to the terminal. Here is the terminal, click to new, and then the terminal is open. If you don't have VS Code, you can install by clicking to the first link of search of VS Code app browser. Write the VS Code and VS Code, and this is here, and then a first click and you can download this for MacBook, or if you want to download for the Windows, then you can also do it by clicking to the other platform. After downloading, you will able to open this application by running the command of code space dot. Okay, and now deploy this application. For deploying, add the command get init. If you don't have Git, then you can also install the GitHub download, not GitHub download, Git download. Okay, and then for installation, you can click to for Windows. If you have Windows, then you can install, and if you want for Mac, then you can search out for Mac. Then after installing and login by using the GitHub, after that we will able to run this command get init. After initialization of this of GitHub at this project, for that you have seen the 32 changes, 32 files which we need to upload on GitHub. Okay, now after that add the command git add dot, mean you can add all the files to push on the GitHub. After that we will run the commit branch git commit, and then what we want to commit, we want to commit the dashboard UI. Okay, and then enter. It's now committed, and just need to push the code. For that we will open the GitHub here, github.com, not this one. Okay, here is the GitHub. Click to sign in, and then here is the login. You can sign up. If you don't have a GitHub account, you can sign up, and I have, that's why I directly logged in. After that click to create the new repository, and then the repository is sales dashboard, and then it should be public or private. If you want to hide the application from others, then click to the private. I want to open this repo, then create repo. Yeah, it's now created. We have run this command, and this one also. Just copy this command, and then here paste here, and then again run this command. By running this command, it's a SSH URL. Like if you can see, it's selected. If you can select to the HTTPS, you can install the project by using this command. I have SSH already integrated. SSH is the different thing, the secure way, but I will discuss in the next coming videos. So just copy this command, and I want to run the SSH. For that I am already using the other SSH, that's why first I can kill that one. For that run the command eval SSH agent, and then SSH new add. I want to add the new SSH in the SSH folder. Go to the my folder where this SSH key is here, and ID RSA is the file of SSH. It's a default name, and if you want to change the name, then you can change, but it's easy to use. That's why you don't need to change the file name, but that's why. Okay, and the identity edit, and here everything is mentioned. Okay, fine. After that we will run the last command. This command will second last command. This command will integrated or in the relation with this repository. Okay, and then remote repo is integrated. After that just copy this command, last one, and then push the code. Click here and then push the code. The code is now pushed, and we can go there and search, refresh the GitHub. Yeah, this code is now pushed at GitHub. After that we will open the Vercel to deploy the application. Open the first link and of Vercel, the official website will be open. Yes, you can log in. Here are some projects I have deployed in the past years, and click to create a new project, and then new project is here. After that we will continue with GitHub. By using the GitHub, authorize the Vercel. It's redirected authorization. Yeah, it's done. It should show the other things like GitHub repositories. Yeah, import the GitHub repo. We have created the sales dashboard 1 minute ago. Yeah, import this section, and then again click to deploy. The application will be deployed soon. It's on development start 3 seconds 4 seconds ago, and build logs are here. Installing the dependencies, reading the optimized production build, and running the TypeScript. The application deployment is too much easy. In the Vercel CI/CD automatically integrated. If you want to change the code in your application, after that if you will push the code will be automatically deployed at Vercel. Please continue to the dashboard, and it's URL where the application is now deployed, and it's redirected to dashboard, and your dashboard is now deployed. And it's too much simple. You can deploy your application by selecting the Vercel. If you have the Next.js application, it's more preferable or recommended to deploy on the Vercel. If you want to deploy on the Netlify or AWS, you can also do it to any other platform. So that's it from my side. Please like, share and subscribe my video if you like it, and I will come back with another exciting video. Stay with us. Bye bye.